Layer mask in Photoshop helps you select some part of the image and hide others non-destructively. And this is the most important word, non-destructively. Let's see how it works. So you have the layer here. You can add a layer mask by pressing this icon, and you have a white layer mask. Remember, white reveals, black hides. So let's say I want to hide the background. I can choose my brush by pressing B and make sure that the color is black, and I start painting. And as you can see, I'm painting out the background non-destructively. What does non-destructively mean? Let's say I want to paint back the background. Simply switch the foreground color to white and start painting back the background. If you want to see the layer mask, just press Option on Mac, Alt on PC, and press the layer mask, and you can see here that what you're painting. See, I'm painting back the background with white, which means I'm revealing the background. If you want to see the layer again, just again press Option or Alt and the layer mask, and you can see the image. Just make sure that if you want to start painting on the layer mask, that you're selecting the layer mask, not the layer itself.